I tell you what, if you guys could smell this right now, oh my gosh. What's going on, my beautiful people? Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. My name is Alex Garfe, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an epic vegan shawarma wrap. Can't wait to show you guys this. I made it a few weeks ago. It wasn't as great as it was today. I fine-tuned the recipe, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. So stick around to the end of the video to see the final product, and let's get into the kitchen. And real quick, if you guys are new to my channel and wondering what to expect, I share vegan recipe videos, fitness videos, and also vlogs. So if that's something that interests you guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now let's get into the kitchen. All right, guys, so for this shawarma recipe, these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. The meat substitute that you see here are the soy curls. I use them a lot in my videos, and this is about 90 grams of soy curls, which is about 3 servings. Now, usually you hydrate these with just some water, but I'm gonna take it a step further and hydrate them with a little bit of vinegar, some fresh garlic, and the water. So it's gonna be a little bit more of like a flavored water, and that's the flavor that they're gonna soak up. So I'm just gonna pour enough water to submerge them, and then I'm gonna add in this garlic. It's about 1 clove that's chopped. And then I got about a teaspoon of vinegar. Now I'm just gonna mix this around. Directions say to soak them for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna let them sit a little bit longer. I'm gonna let them go for 15 minutes. That way more of that flavor gets absorbed in there. Then I'm going to pour these into a strainer, let all the water drain out of them, and then we'll begin spicing them up with the special shawarma spice, which I will show you next. So here we have the soy curls that I just strained, and some of the garlic is still on them as well. And then here are the spices that I'm going to be using. I have half a teaspoon of each of these, starting here with some ground coriander, garlic powder, allspice, paprika, black pepper, ginger, and salt. And in the middle I have some brand sumac, but that is completely optional. And there is the mixed up spices, so I'm gonna add all of these onto these soy curls. All right, guys, so here's what they look like all spiced up, and they smell delicious. So what I'm gonna do now is add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil and about a tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. All right, so I just got done mixing these up with the avocado oil and the lemon juice. We're gonna go ahead and let these sit for about 20 minutes. And if you guys have more time, let them sit for at least an hour or preferably overnight in the fridge. Make sure you cover them with some plastic food wrap, but that is how you get the best flavor out of these. So we're gonna move these to the side and start making the vegan tzatziki sauce. So for the tzatziki sauce, I'm gonna dice this 1 cucumber here. We wanna get it really thin, so. So I chopped up the cucumbers. Now I'm gonna add this garlic clove to it. And here's the vegan yogurt that I'm gonna be using. It's unflavored and unsweetened. You don't have to use this brand, just find one that is unsweetened and unflavored so it has that sour taste that tzatziki usually has. So I put about 4 tablespoons of the coconut yogurt in here. I got about half a teaspoon of salt, and then we're just gonna squeeze some lemon on here as well. Got about half a lemon that we squeezed on this. Then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of dill, and then we can mix it all up. All right, guys, so we just finished up mixing this tzatziki sauce. Taste it, make sure you got enough salt in there. I just tasted this one and it tastes delicious, so I can't wait to make it. And now we're gonna remove the plastic wrap from these soy curls, heat up our pan to about medium heat, and start cooking these things. And I cannot wait because these smell delicious. So I turned it up a little bit above medium heat because you guys want that sizzle right when you add the soy curls. So the pan feels pretty hot now, so I'm gonna go ahead and start adding these. And after about a minute, you guys can turn down the heat back to medium and just let these cook up. I tell you what, if you guys could smell this right now, oh my gosh. So you guys can tell when the soy curls start getting done, you see it's starting to get that brown crust. And that's when you know they're starting to get done. We're still gonna let them sit for about another 2 or 3 minutes, but then we should be good. Another topping to give the shawarma wrap a little bit more flavor. I got a red onion right here, some chopped parsley, and also some of that sumac that you saw earlier, but that's still completely optional. All right, guys, check it out. Already took a bite, and wow. This is delicious. So I definitely recommend you guys to make this recipe. It has been fine-tuned. I made this a few weeks ago and it wasn't as good as it is now. So now I do feel comfortable putting this recipe out there. And if you guys do make this recipe, make sure you tag me on Instagram and let me know and I will repost it. And that concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching it. If you guys did enjoy it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I love making these vegan recipe videos. And if you guys have any suggestions for any other vegan recipes, please let me know in the comments down below and I would love to make them. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. The deuce.